cover the land. Jamaica heart still beats so strong. Thunder roll but we not back down. We lift each other when the night come round. Neighbors share what little them got. One pot of food, everybody get a spot. Island people know the way. Love guide we through another day. Bless up Jamaica, bless every breeze. Guide every child under the mango trees. Hurricane try to shake we soul, but one love spirit still in control. Bless up Jamaica, we strong with heart. Hand in hand we rise from every fall. Love protect we night and dawn. Jamaica heart forever strong. Rain did fall but hope still shine. Rainbow color cut through the skyline. Farmer plant again the soil we born. New life rise with every dawn. From Portland coast to Mobile Sea. Unity all with destiny. Every elder whisper strength. Every youth walk with confidence. Gully flood but we spirit clean. Fire burn but we keep we dream. To the child, to the cold, Jamaica rise again and again. Bless every breeze, guide every child under the mango trees. Hurricane try to shake we soul, but one love spirit still in control. Bless up Jamaica, we strong with heart. Hand in hand we rise from every fall. Love protect we night and dawn. Jamaica heart forever strong. Lift up higher, send the fire from Negril shores to Ocho Rios choir. Rhythm beat in every town. No storm can keep we people down. Every tear washed to the sea, making room for victory. One voice, one prayer, one song. Jamaica people standing strong. Bless Jamaica, bless every breeze. God, every home beneath the island trees. Lightning flash, but we still hold on. Night soon pass and bring the morning sun. Bless up Jamaica, forever we rise. Hope shining bright across the skies. Love protect we all lifelong. Jamaica heart forever rest up. Bless up every hillside, every street. Bless up Jamaica rhythm, guide we feet.